welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making some heart-themed cupcakes. This is for my daughter's kindergarten to celebrate her birthday. So let's get started. These are strawberry cupcakes made from my recipe for strawberry cake, but without food coloring for kindergartners. I colored Swiss meringue buttercream blue, pink, and purple, and put them in piping bags with a large open star tip. I piped it on the cupcakes in the shape of rosettes. That is a circle around, starting in the middle, turning 1.5 times. Then I rolled out some fondant and used small heart cutters to make a lot of small hearts. I made them in my daughter's favorite colors, blue, purple, and pink, as well as white for interest. I placed the hearts on the cupcakes to cover all of the points of the piping. Each cupcake got about 3 hearts. I made a total of 24 cupcakes for 20 children and 3 adults plus an extra. I think these cupcakes turned out really sweet. My daughter was so happy, and every last cupcake got eaten. Happy birthday, Natalie. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.